Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame because in this exact situation it does a great job of telling the story, but more specifically, allows answering a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice day. Keyword there being today, because I'm going to be talking about some things about true power and not true power. So within the context, keep in mind, going forward, I'm just talking about the question for today's price action. Not the past several days where you have the big overall chart, but today's price action. And what do I mean by that? Well, like I said, considering that the price opened up here today and then closed all the way up there, I think everybody would agree that, yeah, today was a very, very solid move. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is this the start of something bigger? Is the overall chart getting ready to, head back up and retest those highs? I have no idea, but the good news is by using a chart, we can make answering the question of, is this the start of something bigger, very, very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is right up there at, I don't know what it is. Let's see. What is that value? 0.053. Why is 0.053 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, price movements that are the start of something bigger, well, it's going to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if something is getting bigger, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.053. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what is that doing? That's literally putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around a little bit, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation from the short term? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows there. You picture each one of those as stair steps. And hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. Truly strong moves. Moves that are start of something bigger are going to get bigger. And I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, get bigger as at least staying up above 0.053. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here. Assuming you watched yesterday's video, it's still all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But all in all, not really too concerned about areas of resistance because right now the big thing that the bulls have going for them and you want to see them continue to do is build those higher bases, because with higher bases, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So nice day today. Is it the start of something bigger? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.